Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you if you guys want slime, because I made slime today, and I was playing it all day in school, and I'm going to tell you guys, because me and my cousin Leslie, we're going to be making some slime. If you guys want to know, just comment down below, and look at that, look at that. Look how it's going down. It's so satisfying. Alright guys, so it's really awesome, and all you guys need to do to get some slime is pay $1 or give me a glue bottle, or more glue, or glue, or whatever glue you guys have, but not glue stick. So yeah, $1 or glue bottle, liquid glue. And then after that, comment down below what color you want your, if you want one, what color, how big. So just tell me and I'll make it for you. Alright guys, peace out. But hold on, happy spring break. Make sure you guys give the video a like or subscribe, be a part of the fam. Evelyn, happy birthday. Your birthday's coming up, so happy birthday. Yeah guys, happy spring break. Yeah, have a good day, have a good week. I don't know how long you guys have for spring break, but have a good week. Peace out guys. Peace out, MLG squad. Dun, 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 dun.